Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the name of your Facebook page right from your mobile device. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First things first, make sure you have the Facebook app installed on your mobile device. If you don't, you can download it from your app store. Log in if you haven't already. Step 2. Navigate to your page settings. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the app to open the menu. Then click on the top right settings. Step 3. Page settings. After clicking on the settings, click on the page settings. Step 4. Name settings. Then, click on the name settings. Then change your name from the name section. Now click on Review Changes. Step 5. Enter your password. After clicking on Review Changes, Password section will appear. Then give your password and click on Save Changes. And there you have it. That's how you can change your Facebook page name right from your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.